Fulfilling customer orders is crucial to a successful business. However, in some cases, you may not stock certain products due to various factors, such as slow-moving inventory, products which aren't sold frequently take up space and have costs associated with storage, limited warehouse space. Likewise, increasing and maintaining warehouse facilities can eat away at profits. High-value items. Some products may be too expensive to buy for stock. Instead, you may only want to purchase these items once you have a buyer. Competitive supply chain. Do you sell products which can be purchased from a variety of different vendors, each offering different price options, terms, and lead times? If so, then purchasing as you need it can ensure you're getting your customer the best deal. And unique, customized, or configurable products. Can the product be purchased with customizations or in different configurations? If so, it may make sense to only purchase it once you have the specifications from your customer. If any of these apply, then you can benefit from Acctivate's dropship and special order functionality. Dropship and special order POs are similar in that the purchase order is created based on a customer's sales order. A dropship PO is a purchase order which instructs the vendor to ship product directly to your customer. This process bypasses the step where the vendor first sends product to you, then you send it to the customer. This allows you to focus on taking orders and handling customer service while eliminating the costly step of receiving, packaging, and shipping to your customer. A special order PO is also based on a customer's sales order, but the product is sent from the vendor to your warehouse. What makes this different than a typical purchase order is the fact that the product does not go onto a shelf, because it's ordered for and associated with a customer's sales order. For example, maybe your customer has ordered an expensive wristwatch that you wouldn't typically stock, or a bathroom vanity that is configured and sized to the customer's specifications. Let's take a look at creating dropship and special order POs in Acctivate. I've created a sales order with 2 products from inventory. Currently, both of these pull inventory from the D warehouse. I want to special order the first line. When I change the line type, it updates the warehouse to be my special order warehouse, allowing me to keep the inventory separate in Acctivate, and the item is automatically placed on backorder. I'll drop ship the second line, which removes the warehouse since it will be shipped directly to the customer. Rather than changing the line type as needed, you can always define a product as special order only or dropship only. The suggested next action for this order is to create the dropship POs. The Create Dropship POs window opens and is filtered on my order. Alternatively, you can clear the filter to view all dropship lines for all orders, or open this window from the purchasing menu in Acctivate. In this window, I can select an appropriate vendor and vendor product information and create the PO. Before or after creating the dropship PO, I can switch to view the special order lines which need to be ordered. Again, in this case, it's filtered on the order from which I open this window. By creating purchase orders from the sales order, a direct link is made between the sales order and the PO. We can click the link to open the related purchase orders. In the case of the special order PO, I need to receive it into my special order warehouse. Since there is a direct link between the purchase order and the sales order, the backordered quantity is automatically updated based on the inventory receipt. I can now create a pack list for this order. Since the dropship line is being sent from the vendor to the customer, it's not included. Since the dropship PO is shipped from the vendor directly to the customer, I don't receive it. However, I will enter in the purchase invoice, which will complete the PO. The accounting entries made for special order lines is similar to any other inventoried product. The inventory is received into the special order warehouse at its cost and then removed when the sales invoice is created. Since dropship lines aren't received, the sales invoice's cost of goods sold comes from the purchase invoice. This ensures accurate cost calculations and reconciled accounts. Acctivate's dropship and special order feature ensures you're able to fulfill customer orders in a timely manner while maintaining a flexible supply chain.